Admins can enable and disable feature sets to accommodate user needs. As we know, education is increasingly moving to blended and online learning environments. This means learning new technologies is unavoidable. Rather than watering down our features to accommodate users with beginner-level tech experience, Buzz allows admins to disable features that their users don't need or aren't ready to implement. To access the Features area, you may need to click on the arrow to scroll to the furthest most right tab and click Features. As users receive professional development, gain experience with the tool, and develop new teaching practices, admins can enable features for individuals, groups, or domain-wide. This provides a consistent experience with the tool that grows and develops with you. To manage domain-wide feature sets, in here, you would be able to make each feature active or inactive. If the toggle is to the right, it's active. To the left, it's inactive. It's important to know each of these feature sets that are available to you. The feature sets that we are able to turn on and off is a growing list. So to keep this video update, please review the support article that is attached to this video, which gives you detailed information every time a new feature is added to this feature switch option. I'm going to turn off the Enable Calendar tool for teachers. The reason I'm going to turn this off is if you have features that are turned off and I have users that I want them turned on for, I can turn them off at the domain level for everyone, but then I can go to the user area, choose a user, and in the More option, choose Edit Feature Settings. For those that I have turned off, I can enable for any particular user. This might be helpful for those that have teaching rights compared to authoring rights compared to admin rights.